Wow. 11 years later, lalaban kayo ni Floyd Mayweather. Um, I mean, you're 47, he's gonna be 49. Anong pakiramdam mo about this fight that's about to happen?
Excited that may chance tayo, di ba?
Na makabawi.
To redeem the yung ano natin, pangalan natin na
Yeah.
makabawi tayo.
Yeah. So, 11 years later, Manny, ano yung feeling mo ang advantage mo ngayon over sa kanya? I'm sure naalala, at ano pa yung naalala mo about that fight that happened?
Maalala ko is kung CompuBox ang pag-uusapan natin, i-review natin, mas marami akong patama ka sa kanya. So,
So, you believe you won that fight?
yes.
Okay. And ngayon, you said that you want him to remember that you are the one that is going to give him his only loss in his record. Ano kaya advantage mo?
God willing, mag-anuan tayo, mag-isay lang tayo mabuti. Paghandaan na natin mabuti para magandang laban na may ipakita natin.
Yeah. Can you tell us about the fight? Professional fight, 12 rounds, and what weight class, man?
This is not an exhibition. This is a real fight. So,
Anong timbang?
147.
147, nag-agree na kayo.
Sir Manny, may nagsasabi sa exhibition fight lang. So, sabi ko sa kanila na this is a professional fight.
Kung exhibition fight, noon pa nangyari yung exhibition fight. Pero hindi kasi ako pumapayag ng exhibition fight noon. So, kaya sabi ko, kung mag-fight man kami is a real fight.
Yeah. Paano napapayag si Floyd to fight Manny? Kasi di ba, ang tagal na itong rematch sana, di ba?
Matagal naman ako gustong mag-rematch but siya lang naman ang inihintay natin. It's a good thing na nag-come up siya from retirement and then nag-announce na lalaban sa akin. So,
Yeah.
this is exciting. So,
Super
abangan nyo na lang.
exciting, right? You're ready to, your 8-pack? You're ready to ilabas yung 8-pack mo, 6-pack ulit, Manny, yung
Wala na.
top form. 47, but you had a really great fight last July. So pinakita mo that you can still get in good condition. You feel na makukuha mo pa rin yung top condition para sa laban.
Disiplina lang. Importante yan, disiplina. Magandang inspirasyon para maibigay natin para sa mga young athletes.
Manny, para dun sa mga first time maririnig ito, at posibleng tanong nila, bakit ngayon, after all this time? Siyempre 10 years kung hindi tayo nagkakamali from the last time. Bakit ngayon? Anong papaliwanag mo sa atin? Bakit ngayon?
It just happened lang siguro na may namagitan at nagkasundo ang both sides. So, okay. Maganda yon. Matagal kasi kung walang middleman na kumbaga nagkakaryo sa amin dalawa.
And tama ba, pareho nyo rin gustong i-settle professionally yung parang pending from many years?
Yeah, siguro nabibingi siya sa yung mga panawagan ng mga fans na dapat may rematch, and then also he's always claiming that he's a greatest of all time.
Right.
And nag-o-object naman ako doon kasi ang tanong ko naman is in which part, sabi ko nga, kung kayo ay magaling mag-analyze ng boxing, so my question is like this: in which part that he can claim that he's the only one? Di ba? He's the only one.
Why?
He cannot claim that he's the only undefeated fighter, which is maraming nag-retire na undefeated, more than 15. So, hindi lang 15 boxers ang nag-retire na undefeated. So, ang tanong ko is laging in which part of his accomplishment that he can claim that he is
That's true.
the greatest.
Yeah.
You know, um, to be a greatest is not based on your record undefeated, because there's so many fighters na nag-retire na undefeated.
Yeah.
So hindi ko naman, I'm not yung ko nang raising my own share, but naggayabang ko, hindi naman, ayaw ko naman ganun, but at least ako, I can claim na first 8 different weight division, which is the hardest accomplishment na in boxing.
And the only one
The only one,
division.
first, di ba? Yung kumbaga, that's the hardest accomplishment in boxing ma-achieve. And also, yung blessings ng Panginoon na naging champion ako in 4 different decades. Do you imagine that? Bihira yung mangyari eh. First time in history na a fighter who became a champion in four different decades. So 90s, 2000, 2010, 2020. So bihira mangyari yan. So at least makaklaim ako ng ganon. So if you're a
Yeah, that's
a
true.
boxing
That's so
fan,
true. That's so true.
kung boxing fans ka na talagang nanonood ka at alam mo yung boxing, then you're the one who going to judge.
Manny, kung anong resulta nito, what does it mean? Itong kung ano magiging resulta ng laban na to, because as you said, this is not an exhibition game. It's not an exhibition fight. It's a real fight. What does it mean sa kumbaga sa scorecard ninyong dalawa or sa
Is there a
legacy
title?
ninyong dalawa? Yeah, and what makes this different from the past encounters ninyo ni Mayweather? Para dun sa mga nag-iisip siguro
Okay,
na,
okay.
paano
First, when we talk about this is a real fight, so kasama siya sa record, magiging record namin. So kung manalo ka, panalo ka. So matalo ka, talo ka. So and then also ito yung magiging sagot din doon sa maraming mga question na ganyan. At least may chance pa tayo na ipakita natin yung kaya natin ipakita.
Sir, yung lakas mo, yung galing mo 11 years ago doon sa fight ni Mayweather, are you confident na kaya mo siyang ipakita ngayong fight niya sa September?
Kaya naman, we have enough time to prepare, to work hard, at least minimum of 3.5 months makapag-training tayo, at least 4 months training, preparation. So to burn all the fats, di ba? Yung mga matataba sa katawan natin, ma-burn natin yon. And then maganda to. I'm so excited to work hard, to train hard, back to work. Yan yung yung
Yeah. Are you gonna be training with LA pa rin, Manny?
training pa rin, same as before. Wala nang pagbabago. So kailangan lang ang motivation, determination. Siyempre, nandyan yung pamilya ko, nagbibigay ng motivation sa akin.
Yeah.
And then para sa karangalan sa ating bansa, 'di ba? Ako naman talagang when we talk about patriotism, nandiyan palagi yan. Hindi maalis yan. That's why minsan magsad ako, nalulungkot ako pagka may mga kababayan na medyo hindi ipaglalaban yung bansa natin. 'Di ba? I can say na we should be loyal to our country. Panawagan ko lang, magkaisa tayo. Pagdating sa bansa natin, magkaisa tayo. Hindi tayo dapat magkahiwalay para sa ating lahat. Kapayapaan, katahimikan, and matagal nating ilang libong buhay na binuno ng ating mga ninuno para magkaroon tayo ng demokrasya. Magkatuon tayo kapayapaan. So, yan lang yung panawagan ko sa lahat na hindi man tayo naghanap ng away. Hindi tayo naghanap ng away. We want peace, we want friends. Gusto natin kaibigan lahat. But what I'm trying to say is ayaw naman natin yung agawin yung sa atin.
Yeah.
Nakuha niya yung
Manny,
exhibition.
last from me, meron kang fight in April. Can you talk to us about
Ha?
Meron kang April na fight, tama ba? With Ruslan. Tama ba? April.
May exhibition before the real fight. So magkakaroon ako ng exhibition before real fight para condition, lalong condition. Ganon din naman si Floyd eh. Ganon naman siya, magkakaroon siya ng exhibition para medyo condition siya pagdating ng September.
So yung kay Ruslan exhibition,
Exhibition.
Manny, last na yung i-donate mo dito, yung what are you gonna be donating?
Yung ginamit ko sa fight na short tsaka yung panalong ko sa na belt, marami ang
Nice.
mga souvenir para makita ng ating mga kababayan.
I-comment ka ba kay Alex Ayala?
Oh, nung pinapanood ko siya naglalaro, so I'm so proud of her na talagang yung dala-dala yung flag ng Pilipinas, and then pag tinitingnan ko siya parang di ba? Yung proud na proud ako sa kanya dahil siyempre Pilipino, di ba? Kailangan natin marami pang ganun. So, keep it up. Ang message ko lang sa kanya, keep it up, work hard. One thing that I can say, yung quote ni Winston Churchill, you will never reach your destination if you stop and throw stone at every dog that barks. So, wag mong pansinin lahat yung although we cannot please everyone. So, focus lang sa goal natin, makapagbigay ng karangalan sa ating bansa, and then marami pang mga Pilipino sana ang magbigay ng karangalan sa ating bansa. So, yan ang masasabi ko.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.